Hello kids, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing great and I hope you all are doing fine. So kids, how are you all today? Come on. Show me the energy, scream, shout, and I didn't get to hear you. Come on, how are you all today? Great, right? More. Now let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, start. How are you all today? Scream, shout, okay? Yes, that is a good way. So, what are your plans for today, kids? Are you all planning to do something excited, something enthusiastic, or you want to create something new, or you want to be creative, or what? Everything is going good? Okay, energy is boosted up? Yeah, that's wonderful. So, kids, what else? Tell me something good about yourself. Tell me something what you're planning to do. Anything you wish to talk or share, feel free. Come on. Okay, so what type of dance forms do you like? Bollywood. Bollywood is a very good style. It has lots of, energetic songs. And yes, Bollywood is a type of dance style which you can perform anywhere, anytime. And, it is a very fun, it is fun to dance on Bollywood compositions. That's a very good thing. And I'm glad that you all like this dance form. And what else, kids? Oh, you like jazz. That's great. Jazz has lots of lines and, a very positive aura and attitude when you perform. So yeah, jazz dance style is also every dance style is a very good dance style. You just need to know the correct, correct art, or say the correct movements to perform on it, right? And a correct training. That I am giving my best on that to give you, to provide you all with the correct training and a professional one. So what else, kids? That's good. We'll definitely try that out. And so, as I can see, you all are very boosted up and pumped up with energy. So let's start with a warm-up session, and then we'll gradually do the choreography and then the fun session. Come on, kids, let's do it together. 5, 6, and music. Down, up, down, up, look down, up, down, up, right, left, right, left. ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा head rotation सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा other side इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा अंडे में अंडा फंडे में फंडा अंडे का अंडा फंडे का फंडा आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा ये नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा हाँ इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा अंडे में अंडा फंडे में फंडा अंडे का अंडा फंडे का फंडा आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा waist rotation go 1 2 3 enjoy doing it 5 other side go right left and left go up next One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. पार्टियां न होती तो आशिकी न होती जो आशिकी न होती तो जिंदगी न होती shoulders back forward से मिलती मुर्गी मुर्गी से मिलता back forward भटिंडा घर घर में मिलता अंडा पटना या भटिंडा घर घर में मिलता अंडा इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा इसमें छिपा है जीवन का फलसफा आओ सिखाऊं तुम्हें अंडे का फंडा other side back नहीं प्यारे कोई मामूली बंदा back 1 2 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8 go shift shift and shift and shift jog on the spot 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, and down. Up, and down, and up. Look right, left, right, left. Alright, stop. So, you are like the warm-up session. Are your bodies warmed? Are you all feeling more energetic, more enthusiastic? Yes, kids? Yes or no? Yes, right? That's wonderful. What else, kids? You want to share something? You want to share something else with me? You want to talk? What? Come on. Okay. So you like the song Ande Ka Fanda? That's very good. It's a very good song. It is a very funny song, and yes, I'm happy you should enjoy doing it on this song. Okay, you should enjoy doing the moves on this song. That's a very good thing. And yes, let's take a quick water break, and then we will start with the choreography. Come on, smile, and let's have water. Keep ourselves hydrated. Feeling good? Yes, no, maybe, yes, right? Yeah, I know. So, you're feeling good and energetic and hydrated. So, what else? You want to share something? You want to talk? Okay. Oh, that's great. Are you all planning to do a lot more stuff in these days? That's good. So I'll suggest you to go through a very energetic music or any type of pace of the music that you like. Put headphones, earphones, or put it on the speaker. Listen to the song. Go through it. Try to recall all the choreographies. Try to make your own choreography. Try to add on different steps. Okay. Try to explore different steps so that it will be your own invention, and that is a very good thing. So I'm going to play the music and let's do the choreography. I am playing the music, listen to it, get through the beat, get through the feel, and then we will start with the choreography on counts. Alright, music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी.
So the count is of 2. Alright, so I'm going to stop the music here. Okay, so the count is like it's 1, ta-ta-ra, 2, 1, ta-ta-ra, 2. This is how the beat is. Ta-ta-ta-ta. This is the pace, okay? The pace is this. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And the beat behind that is ta, ta-ra-ra, pa. Okay? If you listen to the music carefully, you will definitely be able to, relate with what I'm saying, what I'm suggesting you all to do. So yeah, that is how it is. This is the pace, okay? And the beat is different. Beat is behind the pace, okay? So you need to so for now just make sure that you follow the pace, okay? Because that is the basic and a very easy thing to follow. So you just follow this beat. This is the speed of your music, okay? So try to go through this beat only, okay? So I'm going to play the music, but wait for a second. First let me teach you on counts, and today I'll teach you how to add something or any sort of step on this pace, okay? If this is the pace, you cannot do dhak 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 dhak, okay? So the choreography has to go with this only. So the choreography it doesn't mean that it's slow. It means that you are following the beat, okay? At times when we see someone's performance, we say, oh, he's going out of beat. Why do we say that? Because this is the pace and the other person will be doing tuck, 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 okay? And that won't look nice. You'll be easily be able to differentiate that the music is going somewhere else and the choreography is going somewhere else. So if you follow this, okay, if you go according to the pace, you will never get this, nobody will point out on you that, oh, you're going, okay, you're not able to follow the beat, or you're going out of the beat. So nobody will say that if you follow the beat, okay? So now I'm going to tell you the step. So how it is like 1, you need to rotate your right arm. So rotate, left, rotate. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. Gradually take your hands up till the neck, okay? So you'll start here 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright? So let's do it once more. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Music.
भूख लगी भूख
5,
लगी
6, go.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Stop. One more time. One more time. As soon as the song will start, you need to do it, okay? 5, 6, 7, and music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Okay?
मुर्गे की
Next.
बांग हमें कोई
Stop. So next what you're going to do is 1 and 2, hit 3 and 4. It's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Tak-ta-ra, ta-ra-ra, tak-ta-ra, ta-ra-ra. Bend and bend and bend and bend. Okay? And then hit and hit. So it's bend, 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 hit, hit. Okay? Hit on the right, hit on the left. One more time from the beginning till here on the music.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें
So what we did, okay, so wait, let me recall this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, alright? And then what we're gonna do is this, okay? Just simply, okay, so what we're gonna do is after this, okay, just wait, fine, let's just relax for a while. I'll tell you on counts, just wait, 5, 6, 7, and wait. So you're gonna do it, tak-ta-ra, other side, tak-ta-ra, okay? After this, take your hands from bottom to top. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After this, go tuck, and tuck. Okay. After this, strong and strong. That's it. Just show muscle and muscle. That's all. 4 steps. Revise it with me on counts. First 1, first 2, second. Hit. Third. This is the third step, and fourth step is in. All right. Everybody is clear now? Yes or no? Yes, right? Okay. So I'm playing the music. Let's do it on counts. Let's do it on the music. 5, 6, 7, and music.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें
Alright,
कोयल
stop.
की भूख लगी
So what we're going to do is 1, 2, hit, 3, 4. Alright? Then roll, and roll. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, roll. Okay? So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, tak-ta-ra-ta-ta, change, tak-ta-ra-ta-ta, and hit, and roll, and roll. Okay? Got it? One more time from the beginning on the music. Start.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Okay, stop. After this, what you have to do? Out. Take your head out. After this, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Okay, got it? Let's do it with the music now. 5, 6, 7, and music.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Okay, stop. After this, what you're gonna do is 1, 2, hit. Okay, just you just need to move downwards and you need to do this. 5, 6, 7, go down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then jazz hands. Show jazz hands and just swing, shake the jazz hands. Go forward. 1, 2, 3 steps this side, 3 steps on the back side, right side. So you go after this. 1, 2, twist and twist. After twist, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will twist, and then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. One more time from the beginning till here on the music. 5, 6, 7, and music.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
1, 2,
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
change. Okay, stop. One more time with the full energy. Come on, let's do it. One more time with the full energy. Start. 5, 6, 7.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Expression.
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Go. Good. Okay, then 1, 2. Stop. Okay. Then what we're going to do is just point out on the right side and hit point and point and point and point. Okay. Then what you're going to do is 1, 2. Okay. Make this 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Go in. Okay. So it's out, 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 out. What you're going to do is 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Just simple steps. Out, 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 out. Hit and in. Okay. One more time on the music from the beginning. Start with a smile. Big smile.
भूख लगी भूख लगी
Expression.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात
Alright,
दिन
stop.
यहाँ
Then what you're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn to spot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and turn and spot. Okay. One more time from the beginning till here. I've add on the step in the choreography. Okay. So it's tuck, 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 tuck and turn and spot. Alright. From the beginning. Start. Music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी
Smile more.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Expression. Major. Yeah. Smile.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा
Okay, stop. Then what you're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, make an aeroplane and move 4 times. Go. Ta-ta-ra, 2, 3, and last time 4. One more time from the beginning till here. Let's go. Smile, laugh.
भूख लगी
Go.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Go.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा नानू
Alright. So okay. So what we are cutting is we just have to do this aeroplane movement twice, not 4 times, just twice. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And then the same thing in the repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Hand out, and turn 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then after that 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. So it's like cut, 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 and cut, cut. Okay. Ta 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 ta, cut, cut. All right. One more time from the beginning with the music. Start.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Expression.
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा
3, 4.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी
All right. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you go right, left, and forward. Okay. Simple. Right and left and forward. Okay. One more time from the beginning till here.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Go.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी
Stop.
बिरयानी बुक
So what we're gonna do is after this we're gonna go one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your hand here, okay, and you're just gonna move your neck onto the right and the left. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then again just go back and hit and back and hit. Okay. After this, so what we did 1, 2. We came forward, look right, look left, slide back, okay. Then roll hands and then roll hands. So it's like back, back and back, back, roll, roll and roll, roll. Alright kids, are you all liking the choreography? Yes? Okay, so we can do it one more time from the beginning till here. Start with the music. 5, 6, 7 and music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Nice!
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा
Smile, go! You need to smile, yes!
हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए
Stop.
किचन से
Stop. Yeah, so what we're going to do is 1, 2 jump, then other side 1, 2 jump and back, back, back. You need to rotate your hands, alright, on your stomach. So it's like jump, jump and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We're going to do it one more time from the beginning on the music. Then we'll take a quick water break. All right, kids? With this step, okay? 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी
One.
भूख लगी
Go.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Hit your leg. Go.
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा
Go.
हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता
So what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You all feeling hungry now? Yes? Alright. We cannot eat, but we can take a water break. So let's take a quick water break and have 2, 3 sips of water. Then we're going to do one more time from the beginning till here. Are you all feeling hungry after listening to the song? After listening to the song? Yes, right? I've started feeling hungry. Anyway, after the class, we're gonna eat a lot, okay? We have spent a lot of energy, so we're gonna grab it by eating lots of food, but healthy food. Alright, kids? So, are you all enjoying the choreography? Oh, you want me to talk less and dance more? Alright, fine. I'm gonna play the music and let's do it. Music. Woo.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी
Smile.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Ta ta ta. Ta ta ta. Go.
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Show. Yeah. This was the step. I have stopped because I wanted to see you all. Yeah.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ
Show me. I'm not gonna dance now. Show. Yes. This side.
हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ
Turn.
शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए
Right.
नान या रोटी चाहिए
Left.
रान या बोटी मंगा लो
Forward.
राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू
Next.
यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू दे किचन से आवाज
same
चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू
Right side.
पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू
Okay, stop. So what we did, I've added 2 steps and I'll just make you do it on counts now. So we have finished it here, right? So after this eating thing, eat, okay, move, okay. After this, what we have to do? Okay, so it's like 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, and then 1. Okay, you need to do this way. After the eating thing and this thing, you need to go 1, 2, 3, left side, 1, 2, 3, then right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, you're going to do the same thing, भूख का इलाज chicken. Same step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Then same thing. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, back, and then right, and then left. Okay, you all are getting it right? Yes or no? Yes. One last time we're gonna do it, and then we're gonna start with a fun session. Let's do it one last time with the music. Come on, last 2 times. 5, 6, 7, and music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Go. All right.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम का कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को
So you all liked it? Yes or no or yeah? Yes? Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time on the music. Do it with full energy, full power. Show me your full energy, alright? One more time with the music. 5, 6, 7, music.
भूख लगी भूख लगी भूख लगी
Yeah.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Go.
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
Twist properly. Go down. Come up. Yeah. Go. Smile. Expression. Come on. Smile more. Yes.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा
3, 2, 3, and 4. Go.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को
So, alright. Oh, you all liked it? Yes or no? Or maybe or what? So you all liked it? Yes. So, and I'm very happy to see you all performing so well. Let's take a quick water break and boost our energies. Yay! Okay, let's take a water break now. Don't do that with your water bottles. Have water and let's talk something about today's choreography, about the chicken. Okay, let's just have water, then we'll talk. Feeling happy, hydrated, after having water, feeling relaxed. Yes. Yeah. So, what I wanted to ask you all was, are you all vegetarian or non-vegetarians? Okay, that's a very personal question, but I just wanted to ask. So, okay, most of the boys are non-vegetarians. That's great. It's a personal choice. Nothing to. I mean, I won't comment anything on this because yeah, it's a personal choice, and I'm a pure vegetarian. Thanks, thanks for asking that. Am I a vegetarian or not? I am a vegetarian. Yes, purely a vegetarian, and it's completely a person's choice. If you feel like having non-veg, that's also a good thing, not a bad thing. Okay. What else, kids? You all liking the choreography? So as you all have seen, we have been doing lots of choreographies on different songs. So you all are, we are introducing you with different taste of choreographies, right? Different taste of choreographies on different songs. Yeah, and we are exploring different steps. It is for your own growth, okay? If you keep on practicing, keep on rehearsing, you will do wonders. You can do wonders. And yep, we are providing you with the best training. Why am I saying this? Because it's what are we, I mean, how I'm teaching you is like I am also giving you your area to improvise. Okay, so that is the major thing that I want you all to focus on. It's not that you have to do the choreography with with that it's like you have to do it with full, like you have to copy me. That's not a thing. You just need to remember where to do it and how to do it and when to do it. Okay, when in the sense on what beat, on what beat, which step you have to do. Secondly, I'm teaching you the improvisation part. Why? Because you can also connect with your own self. Connect with your own self, as in you can create your own moves, and even you will feel good that look, you have made a good piece or step out of your choreography, your imagination. So yeah, that is how it is, and I hope you all are definitely enjoying the sessions. And your pretty smiles and pretty faces are conveying me all the happiness and all the positivity that you are able to learn whatever I'm teaching you. And I hope you all are really liking it and loving it. All right, kids. Anything you want to ask? Okay. You are liking the choreography. That's good. Are you all rehearsing properly? Yes. That's even good. So it's very good thing that you all are rehearsing regularly, and I can see a change in you all. When you rehearse, the change is visible in you. So that is a very good thing. And I wish you all the very best. Keep on practicing regularly. It will, gradually you will, the outcome will be very, the outcome will amaze you. Okay, if you will regularly practice, you yourself will get to know that yeah, that's the outcome of regular practice was very very great. So keep on doing that, and let's get back to the choreography. Let's do it twice, and then we will do the fun session. All right, 5, 6, 7 and music twice. Once I'll watch it, then I'll do. Show me. Yeah, full power. Come on, do it.
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
Right, left, full energy.
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की कूक लगी
Twist, move.
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ
Turn.
शोर शराबा हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ
Turn.
शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन
Good. Very good. One more time from the beginning. And now I'm gonna do it along with you. You all are doing good, and trust me, do regular practice.
भूख लगी
Yes, energy,
भूख लगी जोरों की भूख लगी
expression,
मुर्गे की बांग हमें कोयल की भूख लगी
चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा हे, चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए ये किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू को तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू को खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू को
great. Stop. So you all are doing wonderful, and I had a lovely session with you all. I'm happy to see your energy and happy to see the way you're performing. It's a very, very, very good thing, and I'm happy to receive so much of energy from you all. Keep on smiling throughout the music, throughout the dance, and it looks good when you smile. Okay, now I'm gonna play the fun session. Let's get up and dance. Come on, 5, 6, 7. Do your improvisation. Good.
आंखों ही आंखों में कर बातें गुपचुप 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 ओए खुस 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 ओए ख्वाबों की नदी में खाए गोते गुड़ 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 अल्लाह अल्लाह मत वाला बर्फी पाँव बड़ा मोटा छाला बर्फी रातों का है ये उजाला बर्फी गुमसुम ही मचाए ये तो उत्पात खुर 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 रफात कर नॉन स्टॉप खुर 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 गुड़ 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 मौला इससे बचा ले आंखों ही आंखों में कर बातें ओए ओए ख्वाबों की नदी में खाए गोते ओए
One more time. Yeah, this way. Once more. Yeah.
जो दिखा उसे खुशियों की ठोकर मारे पलकों की हारमोनिया नैनों की गारे सारे धड़कन की रिदम पे ये गाता जाए गाने प्यारे भोला न समझो ये चालू खिलाड़ी है बड़ा बड़ा सूरज ये बुझा देगा मारेगा भूख ऐसी चौक तलैया पीपल छैया हर कुछ की ऐसी तैसी आंखों ही आंखों में कर बातें ओए ख्वाबों की नदी में खाए गोते
Stop. Okay. So this was your fun session. I hope you all enjoyed it a lot. And so, are you all happy? Feeling good? You have learned a lot of things today. All I want to say is keep everything in your mind, and after class recall it, go through every session once more so that you recall all the things, all the learnings, and it will be very beneficial for you. So I wish you all the best and good luck. We'll meet you in the next session and keep eating good. Okay, eat good food, healthy food, obey your parents and do lots of hard work. It's a very good thing and take care. Bye bye.